What's up, guys? We have a quick unboxing today. This is maybe the smallest Sideshow package I have ever received. I had some extra rewards points left over, so I picked up something kind of small before my points expired. This is the Mandalorian mini Mythosaur Skull from Regal Robot. This is actually my first Regal Robot piece. And first things first, we gotta cut it open. Plenty of packing material. Let's get that out of here. Oh my gosh, this thing is small. When they said mini, they weren't kidding. All right, so this is the Regal Robot Mandalorian. They're just calling it the Mandalorian Skull, but we all know it's a Mythosaur Skull. And they actually make a few different versions and a few different sizes of this. I think this is the smallest or second to smallest. I believe it was about 35 bucks plus shipping. So not much packing inside. The art box is hyper simple. Little Star Wars Regal Robot. Thank you with social media contacts. Says it's made out of resin. Check us out. Okay, so we just have a little padded sleeve here. That's it. Ooh, there it is. So I got this to go along with my EE3 Boba Fett rifle blaster that I have on display. I was going to make a little plaque to go behind it and figured it might make a cool collectible piece. So there's not much to it. Obviously nothing moves, no magnets. On the back it has a little Regal Robot Lucasfilm stamp. It's resin. The paint is good. It's not great, but it's fine for what it is, and at this scale it works okay. The sculpt is really nice though. There's plenty of detail in there. They make a stand for this little guy that turns it into like a little easel. It's almost, the stand is almost like this. I'm gonna make one. They had one that was up for sale. I think it's sold out at the moment. Is it worth the price? I think it was $35 plus shipping plus tax. So it came out to like 45 bucks. I mean, maybe, you know, maybe it's a little overpriced for what it is. It's still cool. It's a great collectible. If you're like me and you have some extra Sideshow rewards points laying around, use them up. This is not a bad little addition to your Boba Fett Mandalorian horde. Overall, I'd recommend it. It's a cool little collectible add-on to your Mandalorian or Boba Fett collection, especially if you have some other props on display and just want a little something to go with it. And in the world of high-end collectibles, this is pretty cheap. Certainly from Regal Robot. I know they're adding a few other magnets and little cheap things, but this would be one of the more entry-level things to give them a whirl. There it is, guys. We'll see you next time. Later. Bye.